超巴适。我们先把这些猪肝剪成小块，再把这些猪肝放到地笼里面，我们就可以去做了。柚子溜完喽！差不多已经过了1个小时，我们再看下收获。耶，还有龙虾哎！不过今天不吃龙虾就不要了。走，我们去看看那边的地笼收的怎么样。耶，二人家不才有5个耶，但是太小了，给二人养肥点的。这2箩已经够了，剩下来的明天再剩。我们先把它的表皮处理干净，再用盐把一条寄生虫杀死，浸泡15分钟左右。小妹妹，刚才这把火烧起，只要那火爆的话，喷儿都可以吃哦。OK， 我的好姐姐。咦，你个嘴巴是摸了蜜吗？美味的牛蛙来吧！我们再给它改个刀，这个味道煮起来更巴适。今天你们还搞得快哦，没喊都跑起来了。
嘿，吃饭肯定要搞快一点噻。
来，学妹，我今天给你选一个。你日本的到处都是，一些生鲜花样很好来，搞过来吃哦。
就是嘛，搞快点。
哎，3秒钟没到，可以吃。你刚才眩晕了没？快吃那不了嗦。姐，我今天都表演个节目了，你明天奖励我吃啥子哇？吃枸杞。看好看。耶，还有个大家伙噻。走，先跑回家。
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
吃完了哟。
雪妹妹，给你10秒钟，你能吃啥？
当然是毛肚啦，毛肚只需要煮7秒钟，味道安逸。
那给你30秒呢？
当然是吃腊肉呢，腊肉汤够30秒，味道巴适餐呢。
那给你1分钟呢
1分钟？哦，1分钟。当然是玩快手啦！春节上快手，每分钟都有机会拆1万元红包，快来跟我一起做任务抢红包吧！